If you want to get to $10,000 a month with your Shopify dropshipping business, there's only 3 things that can get you there. The first thing is your product, the second thing is your website, and lastly are your ads. Now, most people think it's the product. Let me tell you something. There are some people out there that have the most amazing products. However, if you look at their websites, they're absolute crap. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 5 products. Not regular products that have massive potential, but their websites is what we're going to be reviewing most, and seeing 1 to 10, how great of a website do they have and what exactly they should change on their website to actually get conversions and sales. If there's one thing that I learned across my journey of generating over $7 million with Shopify dropshipping is that your product is nothing without a good website and a good offer. So in this video, we're going to be jumping into my computer, reviewing each and every single one of these websites, how they can improve, so you can go ahead and make these changes on your future websites and even the current dropshipping businesses that you're running right now. So without further ado, let's begin. And if you get any value, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down any thoughts or questions you have. Let's begin. Now, a lot of people are selling Halloween items right now. Do I agree with that? Maybe, but there are a few products that are currently doing well. For example, this vampire teeth fang. And this product is an amazing product for organic. However, I went over to his website and I was surprised. It's a little big for my liking. I kind of like it horizontally and not taking up so much space. And right off the bat, it just looks like my little brother created it. I'm sorry, but if you are sensitive, this video is not for you. I'm going to be breaking it down really raw and exactly my thoughts so you can learn from it. Coming down over here, there are 0 reviews, and this is a must. You must have reviews on your website. Going over to the description, I think this is the shortest description I've ever seen in my life. Really bland images. What I do here is a few things. Number one, I'd probably change the theme. This is not a theme that I would personally use in my store. And to be honest, the description just kind of desells me on the product. Instead, what I would do is put GIFs or actual videos of people using the product in action. You can maybe even use one of these images as your main image instead of the product image just has a black background on it. Coming down to reviews, you gotta have the reviews. Reviews literally sell a product, and if you don't have it, it's not going to be looking good for your website. Also, one thing that I did notice is that if you look on the actual domain name, it's not even a .com domain name. It's literally a .myshopify domain name, and that is not good. That doesn't show that you actually know what you're doing. So make sure you have a domain name that ends in .com or the name of your product. For this, for example, what I would do is vampireteeth.com or fangs.com or something like that. It has to just do with your product. It doesn't have to be complicated. Also, on the top of here on the headline, I would change it and kind of explain your sale. You can say Halloween sale, 50% off today only, or something like that. Now, moving over to this product over here, this is the Pixie Beam. It's a mini projector that this person is trying to sell. And you know what? I've seen many stores do well with this product. It's a little saturated to my liking, but if we go over to his website, again, not something that I like right off the bat. There's this little pop-up, and I don't love pop-ups. I like to put it on exit intent. So that means if someone tries to exit your store without buying, then you can have it pop up. But just to pop it up right away, it kind of annoys the buyer. All right, now coming down here, I do like this better than the other store. Okay, at least there is really nice clean text with images, shows it off, and reviews. The only thing I changed with reviews is make it all English, and if you look at the actual text, like most customers will do, it doesn't really compel me to buy the product. So as you can see, it says everything is great, thank you, or 10 out of 10, no to 10. Like, try to actually have good description comments, like comments and reviews that are longer than a sentence that describe how they enjoyed this product and how they used it. Okay, so this is something that's important. The small things are important with your Shopify dropshipping store. Now over here with all these type of plugs, I would just do one type of plug. Okay, don't have all the different plugs. Try to just use one product page for USA and then the other one for Europe, UK and whatnot. Make a new product page for every single country, or just do USA and don't make it too complicated. Most people don't know what this is, right? So they might get confused and leave your product page. All right. Again, here with the logo, try not to make your logos big. Try to keep it more horizontal so it doesn't take up too much space. But overall, this is a okay. I would probably rate this a 5 out of 10. The other one was probably a 3 out of 10. This is a 5 or 6 out of 10. I don't see this selling with this product page, maybe with a few changes and overall trying to, beautify the product page with better reviews, better GIFs. Maybe you'll get somewhere with this product page here. I do like how there's 195 reviews. Again, needs to be fixed up, but good social proof and overall showing off the product in a solid way. You can also show other people or faces of people using the product. That really helps with the social proof. Now, moving on to this product. This product I've seen do really well recently, and maybe I'll come out with a video with my top 5 products to sell right now on my channel soon. So make sure you hit the subscribe button for a lot of content coming. But as you can see on this website, it is a general store. Okay, if you go and see, you can go on the homepage. There is tons of other products on this website, and that's something that I personally haven't seen working. One product stores always been working better than general stores. So if you're trying to do general store sale in 2023, it's not really smart, and I'd change that as soon as possible. So as you can see, besides for the fact that it is a general store, pretty solid overall. I just don't like how there's so much information on the page. I think overall people understand what it does. Maybe a before and after picture. This is pretty good. I would just actually put before and then after. And then also with all these like Trustpilot things, I mean, it does make it look legit, but where are the reviews and the deal? Like, there's no deal for $22 for one of them. That's not really a good deal for me. What I would do instead is change this offer to do $9.99 for the product and maybe charge $9.99 for shipping. So you got around $20 for each sale, right? So that's a better deal than doing $21.99 for one, right? Do $9.99 for one and $9.99 for shipping. That for most people will be a much better deal. I do like how you have this little section over here that you can select how high you want to go, which is cool. But other than that, I would say this is a little bit dull for my liking. I like to have my product pages, kind of scream wow, right? And I think that's lacking with this product page. Now, moving on to this product, I think every single person has seen this product in action. It is a really cool body shaper for men. I know this is really good for women, but they made one for men, and we're going to take a look at their website. So this is their website right over here, and I think this is probably my favorite website from all the websites that we've seen so far. And as you can see, this is done right. Okay, so right off the bat, you can come here and you see hot product, low stock, male shaper, tank top, buy one, get one free. That's a really, really good deal over here. Okay. And for some reason, I don't know, this is like the thing that was confusing me, like buy one, get one free. Why is it charging double? Not really sure how that works. So, yeah, like I think people are going to get confused over here. Like, why is it showing 2 different options if I get buy one, get one free? But I do like how they did that here. So, some people would say like, whoa, like, is this real? Like I get one, buy one, get one free. Like it looks cool. Right. So overall, I like what they did here. I just don't know why there's like a price discrepancy here. Let's see if we press add to cart, see what happens. But yeah, for some reason, it just doesn't change the price here. So I don't really see how it's buy one, get one free. Like this small issue can actually not get them sales. But besides for that, I really like the theme. I like how they have like a clean logo. Since it's a clothing brand, like they just named it someone's name, like Avi, like that's cool. As seen on, I like how they put that, the social proof. They kept the description super, super short, straight to the point and clean, which I like that as well. Then the reviews, the only thing that I would add is put the image reviews first. As you can see, you can press load more and you'll see a bunch of other reviews, but I would put image reviews, show how men actually got more confidence using this product, right? I like how they have the FAQ and overall really, really solid looking website. Great job. Just for some reason, they got this kind of wrong, and this would probably not allow them to get sales. So make sure you look over your website and make sure you don't have these issues. And last but not least, we got this comfy knob. I saw one store doing well on it. This store, I guess, try to copy them. The problem is if you try to copy other people's stores and your store looks worse than theirs, you're going to convert less in them and you're not going to get very far. So when you are trying to do product research and copy something that's working out there, then you need to make sure you have a better looking website. And this store for me just looks very boring. I think anyone who's going to be buying this product that kind of covers the knob on your car, you got to make sure that it actually talks to your customer. You got to realize why your customer is buying from you. And in this case, people want the cuteness from it, the hype around it, and the only image they have is this. So I would definitely add more social proof, show the hype behind it, and that everyone is buying it. So reviews are going to be key. I like how they called it the comfy knob, which is cute. The logo and the store is a general store, something I don't like. It is terrible to see some people using general stores for products that can do well. Also over here, I like how they did like a little bundle, and that's cute. I guess people see that. I just think that the price might be a little bit too high. Instead, I would lower down the price and make higher shipping. That would probably be the best idea. But again, you want to put social proof, reviews, specifications. No one really cares about it as long as they know that it can fit on their car. But overall, just like a dull landing page. I mean, this might be good for organic. But overall, I would say this is probably a 4 out of 10. But yeah, that is my thoughts on these websites. Now, if you want to improve on your websites and make sure that it is a 10 out of 10, then making sure that you have the right system to create your stores is important. Inside Ecom Uprise University, I show my private students how I built a branded e-commerce store from scratch, step by step, in under an hour. Okay, I literally took a brand new store and built it to a high converting store in under an hour. And the coolest part is I did it broken down step by step so you can follow along, or at least my private students can. Now, if you're looking to learn more from me and you want to level up your dropshipping business, then I'm currently taking on a few more students. I'm going to leave the link in the description and the first comment. It'll be pinned. You could book a call with my team and we can see if you're the right fit to work with. Now, as a bonus for some of the members that join for this month, we're actually building you a customized Shopify store and choosing you a winner product. So that is a bonus for our VIP members. You can click the link to schedule a call. Of course, this is only for serious people. We've had to turn down a lot of people over the last few months, and we just want to work with people who are serious about this, ready to be coached, ready to learn my strategies, and ready to implement it to the max. So if that's you, then go ahead and click the link below, schedule a call, and I can't wait to speak with you soon. Peace.